hello. So today is a bit different. Yeah, it's a Mini Cooper. I'm just gonna show you a little hack to change the auxiliary belt on the Mini Cooper, because I've done some research myself and all I see is people using a special tool for it. And I had to look online to see how much it costs to get that tool, and it's a lot. It's too much money for this kind of job. So I managed to find a way of getting to the belt right there and getting it out and putting a new one. So yeah, for this I'll have to, because as you can see this one is messed up, so I'm gonna have to jack up the car a little bit so then I can get underneath the car and then get to the belt. Well, I'll show you the process. So we're gonna get the jack here and obviously get the car up. The car is up now, so I'm going to show you from underneath. What I'm trying to do is obviously from here you get more space and you can see better. So I'm gonna use this bar here to go. Trying to film this is really hold on. So yeah, as you can see, the bar is like wedged in there on that bit that normally you put the tool. So I'm gonna get a jack underneath this bar here and jack it up, and it will loosen up the belt. Oof. Yeah, the belt is out. It's so done. Yeah. That's messed up. Oh, yeah, I got the new one here. You can see the difference. See, I'm gonna proceed and put the new one. See, I'm gonna proceed and put the new one in there. Yeah, let's see. So the new one is in, and then I'm just going to put everything back together, and I mean just going to put the jack and everything, because I've left a little tool there just to keep the tension loose. I mean to avoid tension. I'm gonna put this bar here underneath the car, and I'm going to let it sit just there. Now the bar is sitting right there. So I'm going to get the jack up. I'm going to jack up this bar, and yeah, it's gonna release some tension, and then I can just remove the tool and lower it again. So now I just jack the bar up, as you can see, and I'm going to remove the little Allen key that I put there. Be careful, otherwise this thing will bite you. And the tool is out, and now what I'm gonna do is slowly lower it, and it will automatically just get the tension back. Let's see if I can show you. I'm lowering it now, very slowly. You can see it's lowering now. There we go. Yep. And there we go, got a new belt. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Job done.